Hi, this is Dr. Rob Lipkowitz coming to you with this week's Rob's Reminder, the third in a four-part series on how to achieve a bright and beautiful smile. If your dental health goals include having a healthy, attractive smile, then understanding the 2 ways to improve the appearance of your teeth if dental bleaching is not going to be effective for you should be of great interest. Teeth in your smile zone that have restorations like crowns, veneers, and fillings will not change color after dental bleaching. Broken, worn, and misaligned teeth will brighten with bleaching, but this still may not leave you with the smile that you're looking for. In situations like these, we resort to orthodontics and dental restorations, or a combination of both, to improve the appearance of your smile. When you only have a few fillings, crowns, or veneers in the front of your mouth, a simple way to improve your smile is simply bleach your teeth and plan on replacing these restorations. Porcelain crowns and veneers, or a combination of both, are a great way to repair your teeth, change their shape, their color, and their size, and align them all at the same time. Let's take a moment to talk about when and where we use these different solutions to improve the appearance of your smile. As is true with many things in life, less is more. The less we have to drill or reshape a tooth to solve a problem, the better it is for your tooth and the nerve that lives inside it. If your teeth have been badly weakened or damaged in the past, a crown will usually be used to restore the tooth and prevent it from breaking in the future. If most of your tooth is still present, placing a thin facing of porcelain, called a veneer, is often all that is necessary to improve the color, shape, and alignment of the teeth. However, when more complicated problems of misalignment, wear, color, or broken teeth are present, then a combination of crowns, veneers, bleaching, and orthodontics can be used to give you the smile that you've always wanted. Although orthodontics does take the longest, this is the most conservative way to straighten your teeth, and it leaves your teeth completely intact. And with Invisalign aligner trays, many times today we can avoid braces, brackets, and bands to achieve these goals. Once treatment is completed, bleaching your teeth is a great way to improve the appearance of your now new straight smile. If you found this video interesting today, please share it with your friends. Next week's Rob's Reminder will be about toothpastes and toothbrushes, the good, the bad, and the damaging. Thank you for coming today, and I hope to see your smile soon.